Hi everyone. I love the trampoline, but one thing I do that most people don't is I'm able to do the exercise of sunning. Now the exercise of sunning is that you move the head from side to side, your eyes are closed, you face the sun with the bridge of your nose, and you move your head all the way from side to side. Now the big deal is that I'm able to bounce and know where I am, more or less. While most people, if they close their eyes, feel so confused. And that's because of my life as a blind person, that I needed to depend on my legs to feel my way. So the thing that I want to say today is using the elements of nature is so healthy. It's so wonderful to use the ocean. It's so wonderful to use the sun. And that's why we have this wonderful location. Too bad we had this water damage, but I would like to have make a lemonade out of lemon. So we're going to even improve or not just repair the place. But it's not functional yet. So we cannot use the ocean and the beach and the trampoline and the hot tub that we have and everything that we have for our work. That's why I'm going to Jacksonville. Jacksonville is fantastic. It has wonderful views, and yet you have the comfort of being in town. It is wonderful nature, and that's why I'm doing my first workshop after opening in Jacksonville. I want you all to join. It's moderate price comparing to most of my workshops, and it's a good place to come and to rest and to have a good weekend with study that can affect you positively for the rest of your life.